Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, please feel welcome home. My name is Sarah and today's healing energy transmission is for strength. This is to invite fortitude and courage and stamina and endurance and all the qualities that strength brings for you to persevere and to go on and to continue even if you're exhausted and strung out and overwhelmed and feeling very stressed. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can have eyes open or eyes closed, it doesn't matter. So what I'm seeing first is to bring your alignment, the vertical line, through the body, through the top of the crown, through all your energy centers, all the way through your root, down through your feet, just to feel contact with the earth where you're sitting or laying down or standing. Feel the gravity and the contact that you're making with the earth. And just let the busy to-do lists and the logistics and the red tape of life, all of the things that you need to tend to, just for this moment, turning the dial down, letting that soften, that noise of everything that you need to accomplish, just dissipate and dissolve just for now, so that you can be really present with how you're feeling, with what's going on for you internally, just where you're at. Just acknowledge yourself, no matter what you're feeling, what you're experiencing, to be present here and now. And take a moment to align a prayer with me where you would like to call on the higher power, God, Creator, Beloved, Great Spirit, whatever your name for the higher power is, to bring you strength. And as I say that, there's a beautiful breeze just wafted through the door. Beautiful breeze. Affirmation. Great Spirit is with you. Yeah. And just to think about the areas in your life where you would like to call on strength, where you would like to have the quality of strength, whether it's physical strength, whether it's mental strength, spiritual strength, emotional strength. What areas in your life need this support, that endorsement, feeling carried, feeling held, feeling nourished, feeling endorsed by the universe, so that you don't feel like you're doing it all alone. So just take a moment to receive this infusion of strength from the energy as you drop your energy down into the earth. So this infusion of strength is coming from on high, and simultaneously you're drawing energy up from the planet, from Mother Earth. Receive this beautiful pulse wave from the earth. This magnetic pulse wave coming up through your feet into all of your tissues and cells. At the same time, this beautiful infusion of energy from on high, meeting in the middle, in the center of your heart. Take a deep breath right into the center of your heart. Allowing these energies to blend and mix and amplify Another deep breath. And now if you will sense at your back that there's this very beautiful, large, supporting hand. The hand of the universe, the hand of the divine. It's got your back. See if you can feel the presence of this support. And at the same time, feel this magnetic pull drawing you onto your next step. All you need is the next step, clarity on the next step forward. You don't need to see the bigger picture right now. Just asking for clarity on the next step forward. Whatever that choice is, whatever that direction, whatever that path. Asking Great Spirit and your guides and your angels and the loved ones passed over for clarity on the next step. Take another deep breath. Now we're going to sing a little medicine song, a little prayer, and you can hum along or whistle along with me if you wish. You can thump along. We're calling that courage, that strength, that endurance into the heart, yeah? You can replay this several times to have the tune of that medicine prayer reverberating through your thoughts. Just humming that to yourself through the day. is going to remind you that the universe has got your back, that the higher power has your back, is guiding your way. So thank you for being here. Thank you for receiving this infusion of strength, courage, confidence, endurance, stamina, fortitude, resilience, all of the qualities that bring you the ability to go on, the ability to endure, no matter what you're dealing with in your life. All right, my loves, many blessings. Love.